lines about my wife on this very beautiful occasion of Women's Day. She is independent and strong enough to take care of herself and the family, entire family. She is self-confident and she is not afraid to push all the boundaries required to finish her job. I always converse with her regarding her career and always try my level best to support her. Because she is a working woman, I always support her in household works, and I manage the kids and the entire family sometimes. And I think it is also my responsibility to take care of family and the kids. From my core heart, I believe she will be achieve the most desirable place in the job, in the career. Thank you.
I let her take her own decision regarding a career. So it is well in her hand what to choose. By that I help her in career development. Well, both of us take care of this kid, and whenever she is off, I am there. Whenever I am off, she is there. So mutually we do it in a very amicable way, and we bring up our child. She is a good professional, and I wish she works hard in the office, so I wish she will definitely get a career growth in the office work also. Regarding my parents, we both take care of them. We assign ourselves very meticulously what she will do, what I will do. We split our duties like that.
First of all, congratulations and my best wishes to all the women working at CSM in this very special Women's Day. I am Shiladitya Vikas Naik, husband of Meera Monalisa. It's been almost 12 years of togetherness, and we have faced many challenges. Especially Meera has faced many ups and downs in her job career to settle down at Bhubaneswar. Anyway, from the grace of God, we are doing good and living well with our parents, and have taken many new challenges and major decisions during these days. Meera is a very talented, cheerful and caring woman, and she has the capability to manage her personal and professional life in a very balanced way. On the other part, she also takes care of her parents, they who stay at Khandagiri, Bhubaneswar. In the weekdays, she takes care of her personal and professional lives, and during the weekends, she finds some time to get in touch with her parents. For a woman, what I understand, for a woman to manage all these activities in these different fields is not an easy task. But what I understand, that she has got some super power and super talent within her. She carries all these things with very ease. We are also a proud parent of a 10-year-old kid, and we have shared the parental responsibilities also. Now, to give her some rest and some relax, I usually help her in cooking, cleaning, and also I help her in many household activities. I never act as an obstacle on her way, and let what her decisions are, or I always support her to build her career, and she is free to take her own decisions and give her opinions. So this is all what I have to say, and once again wish you all the very best, and there's one very my all best wishes to all the women working in CSM. Thank you. Thanks a lot.